Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's generating a lot of buzz. How you can start a profitable freelancing business by offering AI writing services. Now, you might be thinking, isn't AI going to take over writing jobs? Well, I'm here to show you how to work with AI, not against it, and build a thriving business in the process. We're going to break it all down, step by step, from finding your niche to delivering amazing work that clients will pay top dollar for. So, if you're ready to turn this cutting-edge technology into a serious income stream, you're in the right place. First things first, let's get one thing straight. You're not just a button pusher, you're an AI-assisted writer, a content strategist, an editor. Your value lies in your ability to guide the AI, to refine its output, and to add that essential human touch, the creativity, the empathy, the strategic thinking that machines just can't replicate. Think of yourself as a pilot and the AI as your advanced aircraft. The plane can fly, but it needs you to tell it where to go, to navigate turbulence, and to land it safely. That's the core of this business model. You're the expert in the cockpit. So, where do you start? The first step is to choose your niche. Trying to be a writer for everyone is a recipe for disaster. You need to specialize. Are you passionate about real estate, tech, health and wellness, pet care? Pick an industry you know something about or are genuinely interested in learning. This makes your job easier and your writing more authentic. Within that industry, what kind of writing will you offer? You could focus on blog posts and articles, which are always in high demand for SEO. Or maybe you're better at crafting snappy social media captions and email newsletters. Other profitable areas include website copy, product descriptions for e-commerce stores, or even video scripts, just like this one. Pick one or two services to start with. You can always expand later. Once you've got your niche and services figured out, it's time to choose your tools. The big players you've probably heard of are ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy. AI each has its strengths. My advice, don't just pick one and stick with it. Sign up for the free trials, play around with them. See which one's interface you like best and which one gives you the best results for your specific niche. The secret is learning how to write effective prompts. This is the skill that separates the pros from the amateurs. Instead of just saying, write a blog post about dog training. Now, you have your niche, your services, and your tools. The next crucial step is building your portfolio. No one's going to hire you without seeing what you can do. But how do you build a portfolio when you don't have any clients? Simple. You create your own samples. Write 3 to 5 amazing pieces of content in your chosen niche. If you're a blog post writer, write 3 full blog posts. If you're a social media writer, create a week's worth of content for a fictional brand. Make these pieces the absolute best they can be. Use your AI tools to generate the drafts, then spend time editing, refining, and adding your unique human touch. Fact-check everything. Polish the grammar. Inject personality. These samples are your ticket to getting hired. You can host them on a simple, free portfolio website using platforms like Canva, Clippings.me, or even a dedicated page on LinkedIn. With your portfolio ready, it's time to find those first paying clients. The best places to start are freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These sites are full of clients actively looking for writers. Create a compelling profile that highlights your niche and your skills as an AI-assisted writer. Be upfront about it. Frame it as a benefit. You use cutting-edge tools to deliver high-quality content faster and more efficiently. When you apply for jobs, don't just send a generic proposal. Read the job description carefully and tailor your application. Mention their company by name. Reference a specific point in their request. And of course, link to your amazing portfolio. Your goal is to stand out from the crowd and show that you're a professional who understands their needs. Beyond freelance platforms, don't underestimate the power of networking. Join Facebook groups or LinkedIn communities related to your niche and to freelancing in general. Participate in conversations, offer helpful advice, and build genuine connections. Don't just spam your services. Provide value first. People hire people they know, like and trust. Let them get to know you. You can also try cold emailing. Identify businesses in your niche that could use better content. Send them a short, personalized email complimenting their work and suggesting one specific way you could help improve their blog or social media. Attach a relevant sample from your portfolio. It's a numbers game, but a single yes can launch your career. Okay, so you've landed your first client. Congratulations! Now you have to deliver. This is where your workflow becomes key. Here's a simple process you can follow. First, fully understand the client's brief. Ask questions. Clarify the target audience, the tone of voice, and the goals of the content. Second, use your AI tool with a detailed prompt to generate the first draft. Third, and this is the most important part, is the human editing phase. This is where you earn your money. Read through the AI-generated text. Is it accurate? Does it flow well? Does it sound like a human wrote it? You'll need to rewrite awkward sentences, verify facts, add personal stories or examples, and ensure it aligns perfectly with the client's brand voice. Run it through a grammar checker like Grammarly as a final step. When it comes to pricing, don't sell yourself short. Though, you're not just charging for the time it takes the AI to write something, you're charging for your expertise in prompt engineering, your editing skills, your strategic oversight, and the final polished product. When you're just starting, it's okay to have slightly lower rates to build your portfolio and get some positive reviews. You could charge per word, per project, or even a monthly retainer for ongoing work. A good starting point might be around 5 to 10 cents per word. 2. As you get more experience and testimonials, you can confidently raise your prices. The value you provide is immense, saving businesses time and helping them grow. Price accordingly. As you complete projects, always ask for feedback and testimonials. A great review is marketing gold. Add it to your portfolio, your website, and your freelance profiles. Positive social proof makes it so much easier to land your next client and the one after that. This is how you build momentum. From there, it's all about rinse and repeat. Keep refining your skills, especially your prompt writing and editing. Stay up to date with the latest AI tools and trends. And continue to market yourself consistently. Building a freelance business is a marathon, not a sprint. But by combining the power of AI with your unique human intelligence, you're on the fastest track available today. So, there you have it, a complete roadmap to starting your own AI writing freelance business. It's an exciting field with massive potential for growth. Remember, the key is to position yourself as an expert who leverages technology, not someone who is replaced by it. You are the strategist, the editor, the creative force. I hope you found this guide super helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. If you liked this video and want more content on building a modern freelance career, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.